Yiheng Wang is now the best speedcuber in the world, but he has competitors like Max Park, Tim Kolsinski and others. Now there is a Rubik's Cube World Championship where Yiheng is considered the favorite. It seems for me Yiheng should be the champion, not Max Park, because he has the best average time. In my YouTube community I asked the subscribers who is the breakthrough of the year for you. Applicants were Yiheng, Max, Timon, Matthew. And Yiheng won by a huge margin with 72%. The final will be tomorrow, so I wish Yiheng good luck.